That went exactly as expected, just as most people predicted. That crane fall was a heart stopper, it just couldn't hold its ground. Every day on a landslide site feels like a ticking time bomb. How do they stay so composed when nature is this unpredictable? Damn, did you see that? The crane's cable snapped like it was made of thread. The way that demolition drill operated was absolutely mesmerizing, but the real showstopper was when the building crumbled like a house of cards. Unbelievable. Each scoop of that bulldozer feels like a gamble with fate. This is the ultimate test of skill and bravery. Oh man, that truck crane completely misjudged its move. The Mercadona display just got an unexpected makeover, courtesy of a runaway disaster. Bam! It looks like they welded extra steel plates onto the bucket to boost its capacity for scooping. Now that's badass. About 10 minutes in, it felt like watching a house of cards fall in slow motion. The tree came crashing down, splintering the house into pieces. It was a surreal experience. Talk about a close call. The back right wheel slipped into the ditch, and the entire cement truck went tumbling over. The driver's reflexes were razor sharp, he was out of there in a flash. This is exactly why I get nervous every time I see a dump truck in action. Anything can happen. Well, that's a wrap for that roof. Holy Spirit is now accepting applications for tree-hugging architects. Who needs a roof anyway? Mission failure. Lava meets truck in the ultimate showdown. Now that's what you call a hot asterisk job. What an intense showdown. Koga and Vincent Couture are both bringing their A-game in this £143,000 battle. The stakes couldn't be higher. Hold on, what exactly am I looking at here? No one could have predicted this. The sheer power and control are absolutely jaw-dropping. How do they even begin to make something like this happen safely? Absolutely fantastic. Watching that driver quickly reverse and drop the wood with such precision is a masterclass in logistics and control. This thing is an absolute beast. Tag that truck operator, must be a superhero. They lifted that stranded truck like it was a toy. Here's one way to clear out those neighborhood stumps, just bring in a crane. They're tempting fate with that tree hanging there. One wrong move, and everything could go south in a flash. Just one gust of wind, and it could all come crashing down. Unbelievable teamwork. The coordination between the crew and the DT-30PMN was critical in this heart-stopping moment. This just goes to show how vital heavy machinery is for snow removal. Those guys truly deserve a lot of recognition. Wow, that was pure adrenaline. What a rush. It's official, the Sirat K700 isn't just a tractor, it's a heavyweight acrobat. That jump looked like it belonged in a circus act. Just when you think you've nailed the rescue on a snowy road, the wood makes a dramatic exit. What a surprise. Just a bit of rock-solid action. Wow, just wow. I don't think he could have been more brutal. That was intense. I honestly thought it was going down for sure. What a tense moment. At first, I thought they wouldn't make it. The way they had to push the truck forward at full speed was absolutely wild. Teamwork is essential in construction, particularly when dealing with high-risk situations like this. Oh my god, I can't believe the crane collapsed like that. I really hope the crew inside the cabin managed to escape or weren't seriously hurt. Pure adrenaline, oh man. What a chaotic scene. I hope they learn valuable lessons from this experience. Respect, these vehicles are truly indestructible. That's a stark reminder of how unpredictable driving can be. Glad everyone is okay. That was absolutely insane. A truck on the brink of disaster, my heart was racing. Thankfully, the crew's quick thinking transformed what could have been a catastrophe into a nerve-wracking rescue. Bravo! I would have been too scared to climb that tree. Heights can be terrifying. The Kamaz crossing the ice is like a heavyweight boxer stepping into the ring, bold and incredibly risky. I was just about to make some fish. The tension must have been off the charts. Incredible how they navigated such a tricky situation. Freddy, park all the trucks. A close call for the concrete pump as it came dangerously close to hitting those high-voltage cables. The tension was palpable. That's insane. What an incredible drift. Toy? It's insane how strong this machine is. Forget the playground, this is the real extreme. Mission accomplished. Anyway, the sound of those tires groaning was unreal. It felt like a suspenseful movie moment. Will it break free or be stuck forever? Oh my god, thank goodness he wasn't hurt. The trees are getting their revenge. The UR personifies danger. Can it conquer the swamp? A perfect battle. That must have been a truly heart-stopping moment.